Morning, everybody. How's it going? Decided to take a little ride in the old truck. I gotta go pick up some stuff from a buddy of mine. Actually, it's my buddy's brother. My best friend sent me some stuff to go pick up, so I thought I'd just video this little ride. And here's my little machine. Nothing special. It's my shop truck, 65 F100. Lowered it a little bit, put a big block in it, just a stock 460 C6 transmission. I gotta stop and get a little gas, and then I'll be on my way. Well, we're off and rolling. what we got. Oh, let me get my phone so I can text him. Tell him that I'm here. See what your brother sent me. Log splitter that I gotta weld together. His paint. And some wheels for rolls. Sweet. Alright. Got everything loaded up, ready to go. Gonna get back in the ride and head back to the house. To the old truck running, she don't sound real good. Sounds like a little tuning might need to happen. Well, I'll get to that on another day, but for now we made it home. The old shop truck is still doing okay. Just remember, guys, always look up. Remember what I said, don't look down on yourself, don't look down on others. Always look up. Trying to work on them old cars. Save one of them old cars if you can. Save a part of history. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it greatly. Hit that like button for me if you will. Ring the bell. Find me on Instagram. Find me on Facebook. I hope you're enjoying the videos, and I really appreciate that you're watching them. So for everybody out there that's supporting me, thank you very much. Have a great day.